I think everything is teed up, and I am extremely excited to be working with this company right here, Wotancraft. If you guys don't know who they are, maybe go check them out. It's WOTAN Craft. It's kind of like an urban type feel, fixie bikes, motorcycles, leather, Cordura, quality goods. Put it this way, if you like the color olive green, you will definitely be loving Wotancraft. So when I was considering buying a bag, I actually reached out to them and said, hey, would you guys be interested in working with me, maybe throwing in some accessories? And they said, no problem. We're going to throw in a whole bunch of stuff. So I was actually blown away by their generosity, and I hope that this is just the start of the relationship and we can work on maybe taking this a little bit further, because they make so many amazing products, from watch straps to camera straps to other bags, that I think that maybe down the line we could be potentially working together again. Fingers crossed. Without talking for much longer, let's just open this up, because I've been dying to see this in person. So the bag that I ended up getting was the 10-liter Pilot. Oh, I'm so excited. They shipped this in these dust bags, and there she is. Now the bag, I'm betting, is in here, and I'm betting that they've filled it up with the rest of the stuff. Oh, there it is. Oh my God. It looks even better in person.
That's quacktastic.
So yeah, you get these dust bags as well. It's just a sign of an amazing company. Look at this fidlock as well. Magnets. How do they work? I'm going to use a line from Chase Reeves.
Attraction, right? Like, how do they work?
But yeah, let's have a quick look. Oh my God. It's just so amazing to the touch. Cordura is this material kind of that the army uses, except for the fact that the army uses 1000D. This is 500D. 1000D is more for kind of like real heavy bags, 20, 30 kilos and up. There's no need for that in the camera bag space. The difference between wax canvas and Cordura is that wax canvas uses cotton and Cordura uses nylon fabrics. The reason that they use nylon is because they basically want to save on thickness and weight. I mean, the wax canvas bags are really nice over time as well. They age, but so do these ones. You'll have scratches on here, and it will kind of patina with age as well. But the thing is that wax canvas is a lot heavier, and this is a lot lighter, but at the same time, it is a lot stronger. So what you're getting for the money is just crazy. They have all this written up on their site with a whole bunch of other information. DP Reviews actually gave this bag of the year in 2021. So before we take all of these things out, this isn't going to be a full-on review, just a little bit of an unboxing. And then down the line, I'm going to review all of these things separately. So they have sent a few of these other things out for me. The two colors that these come in are khaki brown canvas and charcoal black canvas. This is the khaki. Of course, I thought it was more fitting towards what I really like, the olive green kind of look. You have these little clips which are clipped onto the molly. Oh my God, I can't believe they did this for me. Look at this like coin pouch. It's got the Cordura and it's got a little leather accent. Just the small details, they're fantastic. And also, if you don't like the clips, or if you just want to use these as pouches, you can just take the clips off. So you can clip them onto the molly, or you can just take them off. Either way. What else have we got? We've got the strap, which has got this beautiful red leather accent. It's kind of like their trademark. They've got these clips on here. They've also gone with plastic. Some of you might be thinking, why isn't it metal? But the plastic is just as strong. And also, it's just a weight thing. These are a lot lighter. So that was what kind of went into the thought behind this bag. But like I said, not a review. This is just an unboxing. And then we also have these little pockets which you can buy as well. They are modules that just kind of Velcro onto the inside of the bag, and you have these little spaces for your cameras and lenses. Look at that. Oh my God. So you can put lens caps in here. You can put cords and chargers in there. It's just phenomenal. But yeah, we're going to do a massive review on the 10-liter Pilot because I am a little bit overwhelmed right now with everything that they've sent. A lot of these smaller bags I've really been interested in lately just because sometimes when I'm going on a walk, I don't want to bring a big bag with me. And these come with their little straps, which you can probably see right there. And you just throw the strap on here and you just take this by itself. You could put a water bottle in here. You could put a little camera in there. And like I said, you can take these little things off. They've been engineered in a way where if you want to have them on, the clips, you can have them on. If you don't, you don't. But yeah, this has got its own strap. The coin purse as well, YKK zips. Also, you can take that off and just use it on its own, which just blows my mind. The attention to detail that these guys have put into their products. I mean, look at that. It's got its own little section in here as well for notes and cards. And oh man, absolutely blown away. Now, let me just get this off the table.
Okay.
I get it.
Okay, so let's just have a quick look at this. This is called the Fighter, and this is another one that I was really excited about. You have that Cordura little label, and I'm sure that a lot of hype beasts out there, if you're into sneakers or anything like that, you would have seen that before on something like Supreme bags or just in kind of like that fashion, street culture fashion world, right? I want to say something real quickly. This camera up top's going to go out of focus, but who gives a shit? There is a certain lifestyle, right, that we live. Olive watch band, and by the way, Wotancraft does watch bands as well, leather ones with crazy accents. Garage built gear, woodland, pouches, right? You can see the type of person that I am, and there's a lot more people out there like me that mess with the khaki and those kind of colors, like the flannelette shirts. It's a whole vibe. And when I saw Wotancraft and I saw the materials that we're using, the Corduras, and the fact that you could put all of this stuff on the bags and you can use things separately, it was kind of like it really just fitted my lifestyle and what I stood for. I love messing with cameras. You guys know that. I have a whole bunch of Sonys and Fujis and the Ricoh, and then film cameras, my Canons and things like that. It's a whole kind of world that you're buying into when you're messing with stuff like this. And I truly believe that this brand is going to do great things. I feel like they're really underrepresented on YouTube, and I don't really understand why, because, well, I kind of feel like maybe not enough people know about them yet, but that's going to change. I guarantee you this is going to be a sizable bag company in the future. There's just no doubt, because there are so many EDC guys like myself and camera guys that just mess with these colors. They like to have these kind of colors in their lives. The khakis, the Filson shirts. It's just that whole vibe.
It's just the vibe of it.
This is just the start. I wanted to do this quick little unboxing with all the Wotancraft stuff that they sent me. Truly blessed. Thank you so much. And you're going to be seeing a lot of this brand on this channel.